Today on World Famous Foods, you're going to be doing some stuffed Italian sausage in the oven. Let's do it. Okay folks, so all we're going to do is just cut these down the middle, like so. Okay, so I'm going to do all of them and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now all we're going to do, we're going to put the cheese in our sausages. Just like this. We're using two types of sausages today. Italian, and we got some green chili. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now we're gonna put some olive oil in our baking pan. Then put some of this marinara sauce. Spread this out in here. Put all that nice goodness in there, all them bay leaves and everything else in there, and all that seasoning. We're going to place our sausages in here. Of course, they're filled with pepper jack cheese. And just alternate Italian and then green chili. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oops. Okay, be right back. Okay, now we're gonna put the rest of our marinara sauce on here. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Some Parmesan cheese on here. I'll be right back. Okay folks, we're going to cover this in foil. We're going to bake this at 400 for 30 minutes. Okay folks, it's been 30 minutes. Let's open this. Ooh. Okay, we're going to bake this for another 10 minutes uncovered. Alright folks, after the last 10 minutes uncovered, here we are. Our world famous foods, stuffed Italian sausage. Enjoy. Okay, just so you can see what this looks like, look at this. Nothing but goodness.